This summer has been full of color. Every morning, we gather blooms from our little patch of earth.
Oh, thank you so much.
Each vase we place on the stand is more than flowers. It's a small offering of joy. We've watched people come and go. Some drop off empty vases. Others stop and smile.
We've heard stories from people who have taken flowers. Some are going through a hard time. Others just needed something to brighten their day. We've even had people tell us they were bringing flowers to a friend who needed encouragement.
That's always one of our favorite things, and really the reason why we do this. We just wanted to share a little bit of God's love quietly with stems and petals instead of sermons.
Hey, you're welcome.
This has become more than a family project. It's ministry.
It gives us something to do together. It's been a gift for us, and I hope for others too. We're just very thankful we get to do this.
It's something our kids will carry with them. The rhythm of watering, picking, arranging, and giving. The simple joy of watching beauty multiply when it's given away freely. And as summer continues to bloom, we'll keep doing what we do, one vase at a time.